guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple, very cute pinwheel bow. What you will need, this is 1.5 inch ribbon, about 17 inches long, one piece, 3/8 inch ribbon, 4 inches long, two pieces, and Bowdabra wire, about 8 or 9 inches, so whatever you choose. A hot glue gun, scissors, and a lighter. The lighter is to get rid of any frayed edges that you may have. You just gently run the lighter across it and they are all gone. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. You have your bow wire, and I have mine folded in half. And since these edges are going to show, we want to cut them with the ribbon cut. So you fold it in half with the two edges on the bottom, the fold on the top, and you cut it diagonally. Just like that. You can do the same to the other side. Just like that. And now we are going to fold it in half so we can find the center. And get a nice little crease. And then we are going to start by scrunching the center. You can scrunch it any kind of way, but I find that a uniform scrunch looks the best. So we're going to fold it downward in half, bring the back up and the front up, just like that. You're going to scrunch it down right in the center. Now we're going to make a loop with the first side and face it downward. So you're going to come about halfway, scrunch it once again, and there we go, downward. You're going to do the same with this one, except it's going to go upward. Now you do have the option of taking both downward if you prefer that, but I think it looks cuter having one up and one down. I just love the little pinwheel bow, so we're going to go with that. And scrunch it. And we are all done. This is a very simple bow, and that's all that you have to do. So now we are going to tie it. So you're going to take the two ends from the bottom and put them through the loop from the top. You are going to pull it nice and tight, and then I like to open it and pull it once again. You always want to secure it before you take it off of the Bowdabra. There we go, and pulling it one more time. Any last minute adjustments that need to be made, you can definitely make them. Just going to turn this over and tie it. Alright, so we are almost done. We're going to take one of the 4-inch pieces, tie it in a knot, just like so, and this is going to be the center. You're going to use a hot glue gun to glue that down. Use the last piece of 4-inch ribbon to cover the clip. Just like that. And we're going to glue it on the back of this bow. Just like that. And you are all done. Very simple, very cute. Use whatever pattern or style that you'd like.